Hello friends, I am CMA Akula Sridhar. I welcome you all to Finance MCQ channel, a channel where we are bringing you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So friends, we have made this special video to discuss about National Recruitment Agency as announced by our Honorable Central Minister Prakash Javadekar ji, and most importantly, how it will change the future competitive exam scenario in India. So let's begin. So the first big news that is coming in is that Cabinet has approved setting up of National Recruitment Agency. In fact, it has sanctioned an amount of rupees 1517 crore approx for setting up of examination infrastructures at 117 districts across India. So what is NRA? Let's discuss in the next slide. So NRA is a multi-agency body. That means it will have representatives from recruiting organizations like railways, banking sectors, or from various ministries also. And friends, it will bring path-breaking reforms in recruitment process for central government jobs. In fact, it is claimed by the ministry that it will bring state-of-the-art technology and best practices to the field of central government recruitment. And most importantly, National Recruitment Agency will conduct CET, Common Eligibility Test. And what is that? Let's see in the next slide. So CET will be a computer-based online exam. It will be a single recruitment exam for applying to multiple government vacancies across India. And it will be conducted at 3 levels. First at matriculation level, second at higher secondary level, and third at graduation level. Friends, this marks will be used for screening or shortlisting candidates for the group B and C non-technical post, first level or tier 1. For example, presently SSC is being conducted at 4 tiers, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 and finally tier 4. So friends, remember that CET will replace only the first level of the exam, that is the preliminary screening level only. The rest 3 tiers will be remaining as it is. And friends, CET score will be valid for 3 years and there will be no bar on the attempts. The curriculum for this test would be same for all exams. That means there will be a common syllabus and one exam to apply for all the participating recruiting organizations. Friends, initially CET will be conducted for recruitment for SSC, RRBs and IBPS exams. So what are the benefits? First is that you don't have to attend multiple exams. In fact, a single score will be useful to apply for multiple recruitment agencies. And friends, it will be available in multiple languages. So you can choose or opt for your favorite languages to score the highest marks. And friends, it will result in shorter recruitment cycle. In fact, some departments have indicated their intention to do away with the second level test and directly go ahead with the recruitment based on CET score, physical test and medical standards. Examination. And friends, NRA will have mock test and 24/7 helpline and grievances redressal portal. And of course, then it will be cheaper. Now what is happening that if we have exam centers in some big cities, then apart from the exam fees, we have to spend on travel, boarding, lodging, etc. So these costs might be avoided in future. And friends, it will have ease access for rural candidates, so that since they will have direct access to the nearby exam centers available in the district and they don't have to travel to big cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, etc. And friends, it will be beneficial for you women candidates also in terms of cost, effort and safety, and they don't have to wait for suitable person to accompany with her every time when she is going out for exam. And friends, in the long run, this CET score could be shared by government with other recruiting agencies like the central government, state government, union territories, public sector undertakings and even for private sector also. So friends, in the end we can conclude that CET is a great leap forward for bringing a positive change in conducting the recruitment exams in India. That's all friends. A gentle reminder for those who have applied for SEBI Grade A exam, please visit our channel financemcq.in, where we are presenting 2000 plus subject-wise questions to practice, and in fact we have added some explanations for correct answers wherever required. We are also presenting 25 national level test series covering the entire technical syllabus for you to practice. So please visit financemcq.in once. Thank you for watching, stay safe and goodbye.